Right now, this hello component simply renders a message called hello onto the web browser in bold. It does not greet a particular name or a particular user. In order to do that, we can specify properties on a component. Similar to how we pass parameters to a function in JavaScript, we can specify properties to every component, and those properties can be accessed inside the methods like render using an object called props. So by default, the props object is available to every React component, and whatever properties that are configured on a particular component will be available through props. You will use this dot props dot the property name. The property name could be name, it could be ID, it could be target, whatever you give it. Once you access it, you should pass that property when you use that element here in your JSX. In React DOM.render, wherever you are using that component, we need to pass in a name or ID or whatever property you are expecting inside the component. So in this case, I want to pass a name so that hello and that name will be displayed on the web browser. Name is Bharath. Grab that, paste it in the second hello as well. John is what I want. Get rid of the other two hellos. We don't need so many hellos. And here we can access that property inside our JSX. After hello, I'm going to use this dot props is the object name dot. The attribute you have used here is name, and that will be available as a property called name inside props. But right now, if you go back and refresh the browser, you will not see the expected output. Instead, you will see hello, this dot props dot name. So this JavaScript variable, when you use it in JSX, you will have to wrap it inside an expression using flower brackets. Only then it will be evaluated. So use flower brackets always around your JavaScript variables, whatever you use inside the JSX. Go back, refresh, and the output is hello Bharath and hello John. So in this lecture, you have learned that you can pass in attributes, or you can specify attributes on your components, and those attribute values will be available to your React component through the props variable, which you can access inside your render method.